So hey guys, welcome to Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to review the MI earphone. So I have used a ton of earphones in the past. I have used the Boat 225 and finally now after that the MI earphone. So in this video let's review it. The headphone box has all the product details. Inside it I got the headphone, the rubber heads and a warranty card. The packaging is extremely good even when the price is low. Here is the earphone. It feels so good in the hand. I mean the material, which is rubber, is soft and smooth. The part above the earbuds are metal, which looks cheap but it feels premium on hand. Did you ever face pain in the ear using an earphone while sleeping? With most of the metallic earbuds, this happens. I have used the Boat 225 headphone in the past and I felt very uncomfortable while watching movies and listening to songs when I was laying on the bed. I personally felt that when I was using the Boat 225 headphone, and the metallic thing was really annoying. It was so painful while listening to music or even watching movies while I was sleeping like this. Yeah, the MI earphone is designed in a way that it will fit perfectly in your ears and into your earlobe, and it is really comfortable. The shape of the earbud is designed in a way that it fits perfectly inside your earlobe. Again, comparing with the Boat 225, oh my god, while running, watching movies, or even just sitting still, all the time the Boat earphone constantly slips off my ear and it became so annoying. So that's why I switched to the MI earphone. So you shake your head, run, whatever you do, the MI earphone will never come off your ear. And it is that comfortable too. This MI earphone has one of the best design in this price range. This is not a sponsored video. I bought the MI earphone when my Boat earphone was in the service center. It got damaged in just 6 months and they took 1 month to repair it. The earphone comes with 6 months warranty, and if you need to repair it, just visit a nearest MI service center and they will do the work. Now I really don't know what's wrong with Xiaomi, because most brands at this price range give at least 1 year warranty and it takes time for an earphone to break and after heavy using. So I think 6 months is not enough. Now coming to the audio quality, the audio quality is good. Comparing with other earphones around this price, which is 300 to 500, the volume is pretty low. Music is fine, the volume of normal music will be loud, but if you are watching movies, some dialogues can't be heard, like some whispering and all. You have to press the earphone very close to the ear to listen carefully. That's the only problem I faced. Now there is the 3.5mm headphone jack and it fits perfectly with any phone. I'm using the Realme 3 Pro and yeah, there was no problem with that. So you will also get the microphone and a button to activate the Google Assistant and also stop and play a song. Now while playing games, particularly on this model, you won't face any problems. So never ever play games on speaker whenever you are playing with your friends. For example, voice chat in PUBG or even in Discord. And sometimes things can go out of hand. So let me know in the comment section, what was the most embarrassing thing you faced when you were playing games with your friends? So what is that? Drop in the comment section. Previously I used to rotate my phone because there was a big headphone jack on the Boat 225. But now with this small rubbery coated jack, I am fine. There was no problem, holding the phone while playing games. And yeah, you can play games pretty easily. So I'm currently using the Realme 3 Pro and the headphone jack is here. So whenever I'm trying to play any games and all, you can see the headphone jack always obstruct the fingers, and also I couldn't play properly. So yeah, so I have to rotate the phone. The Boat 225's headphone jack was so big that it obstructs my finger like this. So now what happened with the MI earphone is that the headphone jack is really small. It is coated with soft rubber, so it doesn't interfere with my fingers, and if in case it interferes with my finger, it won't hurt because it is made up of soft rubber. So yeah, while playing games you won't face any problems if your headphone jack is. While playing games on the Realme 3 Pro and also in the Zenfone Max Pro M2, the gaming experience and the game sound is also very clear. If you are playing PUBG or even Critical Ops, you can listen from where your enemy is coming from, right or left or whatever direction he or she is. Now the main thing that people ask is, how is the bass? The bass is quite good. I won't say it is the best, but yeah, at this price range, which is $399, it is pretty good, not that bad. The sound is also crisp. I mean, some songs won't be that good on this, but again, if you are a pop fan or even EDM like Alan Walker and Marshmello fan, then the music experience will be pretty good. So in general, if you don't want to spend a ton of money on earphones, then the MI earphone is the right choice for you. I have personally used this headphone and tested it thoroughly, so I can say the results were amazing and I am happily using it. So thank you so much for watching. That was my review. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also I will see you guys in my next video.